In this quick video, I want to show you how to do a full factory reset of any oxygen concentrator. It doesn't matter if it's a portable one or a larger one like this. Now, this is a Stratus 5, but you may have an Inogen, you might have a Companion, you might have a Devil Bis. Doesn't matter what brand you have, they pretty much all work with the same concept. So the first thing you want to do to reset it is turn it off, and you want to make sure it's completely unplugged from the wall. Now, if you have one of the portable ones, a smaller one, there may be a battery inside of it. What you want to do, if you have the ability to remove the battery from the portable one and keep the battery out for a good 10 minutes before putting the battery back in and plugging it back in or turning it on. All right, so what you want to do is, for the larger one, you want to give it about a good 30 minutes, let it sit. And what I want you to do is any filters, and again, it doesn't matter if it's an Inogen or a Companion or whatever, remove any filters. So this one's got one like this, you want to remove. And then this one. Then you might have one on the bottom or the side. Look around and remove anything like that. And again, keep it off and unplugged for 30 minutes. Then put your filters back in. All right, plug it back in. And then turn it back on. And before the patient uses it, give it another 20 minutes or 30 minutes for everything to reset. And of course, make sure your oxygen is correct. So for example, if the Stratus, the patient is on a 1 right here. And then that should do it. That should be a full factory reset for any of them. Again, with the portable ones, you can put the battery back in, turn it back on, and again, give that one a good 20 minutes before letting the patient use it. All right, if you have any questions, contact the service provider that provided you with the oxygen concentrator, read the instructions and all that good stuff. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.